Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Dan Cave and welcome to a Christmas special. So, it's Christmas time, or will be very very soon. And what else do you need but a list of the best Christmas presents for modelers, or at least the best Christmas presents for me as a modeler, maybe. So, decided to sit down and come up with a list of things which would make very very good gift ideas, from relatively smaller gifts to somewhat ridiculously expensive gifts. But nonetheless, this is just a list of random things that I've come up with as a list of gift ideas for that modeler in your life, which could be me. So speaking of which, of course, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video, and you'll find a link in the description as well if you want to buy me a coffee as well. It would be greatly appreciated and help support the channel. So let's start with the list. So in no particular order, these were things that, well, we'll start, actually no, we'll go in a particular order. We'll start with a few kits. So a couple of kits out there which will make great Christmas presents. They're new, relatively new kits. Certainly the first two should be available. So the first kit is the Tamiya 1/24 scale Porsche 911 GT3 RS. New kit from Tamiya. It is available out there. It is supply is diminishing as a lot of people have bought this kit, but as usual, this will be an absolutely fantastic kit from Tamiya. So that's one. Number two is the Tamiya 48 scale F35C. So again, Tamiya have updated the F35, the 48 scale kit. Fantastic kit from Tamiya, and this is available also. Now, number three on the list, which I don't know, just piqued my interest a little bit, is the Model Factory Hero 12th scale Alfa Romeo TZ2. Now, I don't think this is available yet. And again, with Model Factory Hero, availability is can be very challenging because they do tend to sell out very, very quickly. Very popular kits, but nonetheless, that is an absolutely fantastic looking car in my opinion. Who doesn't like an Alfa Romeo? But something like that. But Model Factory Hero kits, that's the big present. That's the biggie present for someone in your life that likes building models. But that would be a big one. So that's model kits. That's my random thoughts on model kits. Other than model kits, what else could you buy the modeler in your life? So these days, 3D printing is on the rise for nearly all modelers. So something like an Anycubic Photon Mono 4, something like this one, that will make an absolute brilliant Christmas present. Of course, don't forget that wash and cure station as well if you get something like that for someone. Again, quite a pricey gift, but it's Christmas time. You want to splash out something like that would make an amazing gift for someone. So that's the ridiculous. Now to slightly less ridiculous, something like the D-Spay etch rulers, something like these. Again, relatively small gift. These are a lot lower value than, say, the 3D printer we've just looked at. Something like that will make a great gift idea for someone as well. More of a stocking filler. And to be honest, anything from D-Spay, if they don't have it already, that would be a great gift idea. But the etch roller is definitely something I would like in my Christmas stockings this year. Not that I have any special Christmas stockings, nonetheless. So another relatively smaller, lower value item gift, another stocking filler idea, something like God Hand Spin Blades. So recently started using a lot more God Hand stuff. I use their sanding sponges now, they're brilliant. I've got some of their chisel bits. I've tried their drill bits, and I know some of the guys in our modelling group in Scale Fanatics IPMS Club, a lot of them have almost a full range of drill bits and spin blades from God Hand. But their spin blades are absolutely brilliant. They're basically a little chisel bit that you spin, and they'll basically do a flat circle, basically. So very good for recessing smaller holes for, say, magnets, or small little flat holes that you want. But brilliant little tools. You won't use them often, but when you use them, they'll be an absolute lifesaver. So God Hand spin blades. Now, last but not least, again, this is something that maybe I would like as a Christmas present from someone. Who knows? I may treat myself over Christmas, but this is a Weller WE1010A soldering station. Now, I bet you weren't expecting that one on the list, but it is, because if you watch my bench update, you will know that there is a Model Factory Hero kit in the stash over there. One of the 20th scale Formula 1 cars from them. But it does have a lot of metal parts that will need soldering, so you need a variable temperature solder station. The Weller one is absolutely brilliant. A good entry level soldering station which will fulfill all those soldering needs. So there we go. That is the random Christmas list, which has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items on it, I think. There we go. That's the top 7 random gifts for the modeler in your life. So once again, thanks for watching. There'll be more videos over the Christmas period and into the new year. And once again, please subscribe, please like the video, and feel free to leave a comment down below. But thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas, and see you all very, very soon. Bye for now.